Hi guys, welcome to another video. Last night we just camped outside of Longley pub, which is in Longley, south of Hobart in Tasmania, and we're wanting to go and check out Pelverata Falls today. So that's further south near Snug. We've heard that there's a walk-in and we've also heard that there's a way you can take a track up to the falls with the car. So we're not entirely sure the way we're going to get there or if it's flowing, but we thought we would take you along and see how our day goes.
I had a dream, we were sipping a whiskey neat, highest floor of the Bowery, and I was high enough. There along the lines, stopped seeing eye to eye, we were staying out all night, and I had enough. No, I don't wanna know where you've been or where you're going. I know I won't be home, and you'll be on your own. Who's gonna rock you through the dark side of the morning? Who's gonna rock you when the sun won't let you sleep? Who's waking up to drive you home when you're drunk and all alone? Who's gonna rock you through the dark side of the morning? I had a dream, we were back to 17, summer nights and the libertines, never growing up.
Hey guys, so we came into Margate and then we took Morey Road, which is just near the BP, and we kept following that down. We've come into a reserve area, the Snug Reserve area, and the road has started becoming a bit more like a track. So it also on the HEMA, it looks like it heads into very close to Pelverata Falls. So we're just going to air down and go explore.
I'll take with me the Polaroids and the memories, but you know I'm gonna leave behind the worst of us. Who's gonna rock you through the dark side of the morning? Who's gonna rock you when the sun won't let you sleep? Who's waking up to drive you home when you're drunk and all alone? Who's gonna rock you through the dark side of the morning?
So what we've been doing lately, just to try it out, is with the airbags in the rear coils. I've just been letting them down to about half of their road pressure when we go off-road, and just lets the spring travel a bit more freely.
Let's start! Yeah. Come on. I'll take you home if you don't leave me at the front door. Your body's cold, but girl, we're getting so warm. I was thinking of ways that I can get inside. was thinking of places that I could hide. Tonight we're falling in line. This feeling's tearing me on. Now that she does it like this, why you do it like that? Now that she touches like this, why you touch it right back? Now that she moves like this, why you move it like that? Come on, shake, 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 shake it. 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 Saw you dancing and I couldn't keep you off my mind. I can tell that you can tell that I was taking my time. I was thinking of ways to get you stay up at night. Body shake it, turn me on so I can turn off the lights.
So we followed the track out to a fork in the road which looked to be the way down to Pelverata Falls, which was stated as like a rough four-wheel drive track. We've come down a fair way into it and it's just quite enclosed and there's no fresh tracks or anything that looks like anyone's been down here for a really long time. It's not really many places to turn around, so we've just gone on a bit of a walk, a few k's, and left the car on the track just to see if it did look like there was a place for us to turn around, or if it did open up or arrive at the falls. But we can't see that that is the case. There is a little bit more space a bit further down to turn around, so we're just going to figure out the best spot in which to do that, and then try and figure out from here if we have taken the wrong turn. But it doesn't look like it. It just looks like this track hasn't been used in a very long time and it's very overgrown, and we're quite high and a lot of the trees are very, very low. So if we can't get down here, we'll go into Pelverata and go explore from the walking track. we finally made it. It's absolutely beautiful. The falls aren't flowing at the moment, but you can see where they would be flowing. But it's still a beautiful lookout and such an awesome spot. It's a beautiful day as well, nice and clear, so you can see everything the view has to offer. So basically we had ended up taking the wrong turn. So where we thought it was the right turn to turn right towards Pelverata Falls, we'd actually gone and taken that road a little bit before we actually should have. So we came back out, we got turned around and came back out to the clearing, kept driving a little bit further, and then we saw that Pelverata Falls was signposted off to the right hand side. So we followed that and we came to the creek and followed over that creek across the logs, and it came into this big open area where people have been driving like just through bog holes and things like that, and no falls in sight. And so then we came back over the bridge and we could see that there was a left-hand turn, quite sharp and into the bank, and up that, once we followed that for another few, maybe 3 kilometres, we ended up here. So it is a bit tricky. There is, on that right-hand turn, just before the creek, there is a little blue piece of string tied to that tree. But that's really the only thing that can sort of show you that you need to take that turn. There's not really any good signposts, and even the HEMA wasn't showing us a track up here. But we finally got up here. It was a few hours worth of searching around and taking the wrong way, but beautiful day, beautiful spot, and a really decent drive. It's not too hard, but there is challenging sections that keep you thinking and interested. So much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!